What's up, everyone? What's up, everyone? Jamicka's here for part 2 of my cooking vlog. And right now, what I'm going to show you what to do next is my main dish, my baked chicken. So stay tuned and get ready for this, you guys. Alright, so basically, I already have the water, just a little tap bit of water prepared. And before you do anything, guys, make sure you wash your chicken. I don't know if you do it or not, but I do it. Wash your chicken real, make sure all the residue and everything is off of it. Make sure it's just fine. Okay, so I have just a little tad bit of water, and I'm going to add just a little of chicken broth. You don't have to add a lot because you already have some water in there from washing your chicken. I'm just going to add enough just to cover up the top part of the chicken. Okay, that should be good. And now, like I said, I'm going to have my own little spices added to my baked chicken. I don't know if you use these spices, but I know I do. So, just use my recipe if you want to give it a try. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in and add my garlic and onion and black sea salt spice. Just sprinkle around the whole thing. Make sure the top layer is completely coated. Alright, and I'm going to add my jerk seasonings just to give it a little Jamaican taste to it. I'm so sorry, guys, but I'm addicted to jerk seasonings. I love jerk seasonings. And like I said, this is something different. A little taste of the island. And also, we're going to add just a little tad bit of Jamaican-style mild curry. I apologize for my kids back there. We're not going to add too much because I don't want it to be too yellow. So, just that little bit is fine. Okay, and we're going to add some pepper. And like I said, go ahead and incorporate it, the whole thing, over each piece of chicken. Alright, and we're going to add some onions. Okay? Alright, add some onions. And one more thing, you guys, to go ahead and give it an extra spice, we're going to add some butter to this. Maybe I cut up too many onions, so we're just going to use that little bit. Excuse me, that's the pepper, so beware. As we all know, pepper makes you either sneeze or cough. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and just add that few onions that's left. And I don't like to use a lot of oil in my chicken when I bake it, so I'm going to go ahead and add some butter to it. Alright. Okay. So once we're finished with that, it's time to go ahead and place this in the oven. So I like to make sure that I cover my chicken up with aluminum foil. It will keep it from burning very fast, and also it will lock in all of the heat. So we're going to go ahead and place this in the oven. Okay, and we're going to put this on a temperature set to 350. And let it cook for about like an hour and a half. And then we will be back with the finished product. Okay, our chicken is almost done for the moment. But, and just to add a little finishing touch, we're just going to add a little of the jarred gravy that you can get at any grocery store. And I'm going to give you some recipes and some more details about it in the description of this video. So we're just going to add some gravy to the top of it. And we're going to let that bake just for a few seconds and get it to a nice brownish texture up top. Chicken. Alright guys, chicken's all done. Falls right off of the bone. That lets you know that it's finished. I'm just going to turn this over to let it soak in the juices. You know, when chicken does that, that means, yeah, it's ready. See it? Right. Yum, 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 yum. Right. If you enjoy my cooking show today, and for more recipes and other cooking shows, please like and subscribe. Thank you all, and peace.